perfect.
What the fuck is that kid doing? What's he doing? Biggest IPO in this firm's history. What the fuck is he doing?
You cleaning the fishbowl? I had a minute and
You had a minute. And today you needed to clean the fishbowl today?
I had finished my paperwork and so just had a couple minutes.
Okay. Nice to meet you. A new issue day? A cocksucking motherfucking new issue day! This is what you do! Hey, everybody, listen up! This is what happens when you fuck with your pets on new issue day.